Ngayon naman pakinggan natin si Gabby Garcia.
Hello! Hello, madlang people! Una sa lahat, gusto ko po muna magpasalamat sa Showtime for having me here sa Magpasikat at sa Jurado. Kasi, totoo talaga, bata pa lang ako, pinapanood ko na kayo. After school, kapag may bagyo, tapos nakakat yung class, diretso ako sa bahay, papanoorin ko kayo. So, maraming salamat. I'm happy to be here. Thank you. Thank you for reminding us that there is hope and love in this cruel world. 'Di ba? Minsan kailangan lang natin ng reminder to keep us going. And today nakita namin sa inyo 'yan. Thank you so much for sharing your vulnerability. Ang tingin kasi nila sa ating mga artista minsan, 'di ba? Masaya lang, they just see the glam, they just see the beauty of it. Pero hindi nila alam that we have so many things that we actually hope for. Maraming salamat for sharing your human side of it. And I also want to commend the visuals. It was such a treat. From the dancers, yung LCD, yung LED, yung kay Ryan dito sa likod. Kanina tinatanong ko siya, grabe, hindi ka ba natakot doon? Kasi parang nakakatakot siyang gawin, but still he was so committed and the emotions were really there. It was so real. It was so pure. And si Ate Kay, always one of the most pure-hearted persons, especially here in the industry. It's so rare to find someone like you, Ate Kay. And thank you for sharing your heart to us today. At kay Meme, grabe pinakita niyo sa amin ang lahat ng klase ng hope. Merong hope sa magulang, hope sa pamilya, hope sa achievements sa buhay, at hope na kaya nating ipaglaban ng mga mahal natin sa buhay. Kaya maraming salamat. And lastly, it was such a God-centered performance. Lahat tayo kailangan natin yun ngayon. And naniniwala ko if there is hope and faith kay God, then love will follow. And we really need that today. So maraming salamat and congratulations!
Thank you, Rado, Gabby.